Hey friends, today's gingerbread story is the Ninjabread Man. This story is a little bit different than the gingerbread man, the gingerbread girl, and the gingerbread cowboy, but it's still an awesome story and it's a lot of fun to read. So let's read it. The Ninjabread Man. Here we go. The Ninjabread Man. Once upon a time, there was a little old sensei who taught ninjas in a hidden dojo. A sensei is a karate teacher or someone who's teaching these guys their ninja skills. And their dojo is where they learn their karate or their ninja skills. The group trained hard to be the strongest, fastest, smartest, and sneakiest ninjas in all the land. Sensei was very proud of his students. All different animals are learning the ninja skills. So proud that one night he made them a special treat, Ninjabread. Ninjabread was an age-old recipe passed down from sensei to sensei. It took a lifetime to master. Once baked, the cookies contained many mysterious powers. They were also dangerously delicious. Sensei mixed the batter, rolled the dough, and shaped the ninjabread into a tiny sword and throwing stars. Then Sensei crafted a Ninjabread Man. Once done, he carefully placed the tray in the oven. So this part of the story is like the other stories we've read. Finally, as Sensei opened the oven door to check on the ninjabread, I bet we all know what's going to happen. Kapow! Out leaped the Ninjabread Man, alive and kicking! There he is! Sensei was surprised to hear the cookies speak. The time has come to test your students. Now they must try as best they can. They can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. With a crack and a flash, the Ninjabread Man disappeared into a cloud of sugar dust. Sensei sounded the gong as a warning to his ninjas. Tonight they faced their greatest challenge. Ninja Bear was balancing on one finger when he heard the gong. Suddenly, a sweet scent filled the air. That's a smell. Danger was near. With a crack and a flash, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, Try as best you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night, and I'll defeat you too. I can. Oh my goodness. Ninjabread Man, shouted Ninja Bear. You will make a mighty morsel. He wants to eat the ninjabread. With a running roar, the ninjabread charged, but the Ninjabread Man, with a running roar, Ninja Bear charged, but the Ninjabread Man jumped out of the way, and Ninja Bear lost his balance. Then with a bow, Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. Come back, yelled Ninja Bear, but the cookie had disappeared. Ninja Snake was throwing stars in the forest when she sensed Sensei's warning. The bamboo swayed in the wind. This is all bamboo right here. So she knows he's around. She can sense him. Danger was near. Suddenly, a cookie figure stood before her and announced, Try as best you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight, and I'll defeat you too. I can. Ninjabread Man, hissed Ninja Snake. You will make a super snack. With a flick, swish, the Ninja Snake launched her throwing stars, but the Ninjabread Man was too fast. He launched a cookie star ninja attack of his own. Then with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. "Come back!" yelled Ninja Snake, but the cookie had disappeared. Ninja Mouse was training with his sword when the warning gong rang. Ninja Mouse heard someone tiptoeing around. Danger was near. In the blink of an eye, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, "Try as best you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake in a throwing star fight. And I'll defeat you too, I can. "Ninjabread Man," squeaked Ninja Mouse, "you will make a nice nibble." Ninja Mouse sprang forward, but the Ninjabread Man tricked the mighty mouse. Then, with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. "Come back!" yelled Ninja Mouse, but the cookie had disappeared. Ninja Fox was sitting beside the great waterfall. He did not hear Sensei's warning. Ninja Fox gently hummed. "I sense something dangerously delicious." With a crack and a flash, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, Try as best you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake and made Ninja Mouse ache. And I'll outfox you too, I can. "I'm sorry," said Ninja Fox. I didn't hear you. What did you say?" The Ninjabread Man stepped closer and repeated, Try as best you can. You can't catch me. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past Sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake and made Ninja Mouse ache. And I'll outfox you, I can. I'm so sorry," said Ninja Fox, pretending he could not hear. The cookie, "The waterfall is so loud. What did you say?" The Ninjabread Man took one final step closer. What's going to happen? Following one quick movement, a cloud of sugar dust covered Ninja Fox. What did he do? Can you tell what he did? He ate the Ninjabread Man. I think he went and maybe ate the Ninjabread Man. Ninja Bear, Ninja Snake, and Ninja Mouse came running out of the forest to find Ninja Fox. Was the Ninjabread Man gone? Far away in another hidden dojo, a little old sensei worked under the mystical moon, mixing, rolling, and shaping another Ninjabread Man. The end. I love that story. It's so silly. It's a little bit different than the other stories we've read because this time we've got animals together in a ninja dojo and the Ninjabread Man going around trying to defeat all of them. But one thing that's the same is a fox still ate the Ninjabread Man, just like he ate the Gingerbread Man and the Gingerbread Cowboy. Not the Gingerbread Girl, though. Do you remember? She pulled out a piece of her hair and tied up that fox and did not get eaten. She outsmarted the fox. She outfoxed the fox. All right, friends, I hope you liked the Ninjabread Man. It's a fun one for sure. See you soon.